Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm here with another video on this lovely hair that I got from Isee Hair Company. And this hair that I'm wearing is a 13 by 4 150 density Indian straight hair, and I am in love with this hair. Okay, let me just tell y'all something about this hair real quick. I did not bleach the knots, I did not tint it or anything. I used makeup and I plucked it a little bit, and that was it. And honestly, this hair is serving me. But if you want to see how I installed this hair and everything, and how I plucked it, how I, got it to look like this and melt into my skin, continue to watch and do not forget to subscribe. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I miss y'all so much, and I'm back with another video. And today I just wanted to do like a review slash install on this beautiful wig that I got from Isee Hair Company. And this is an Indian straight 130 density, 13 by 4, 26 or 22 inches, I'm not sure, but I will have it in my bio, the direct link, and all the details of this hair. And if you want to, see how I laid this hair, continue to watch and do not forget to subscribe, comment, and whatever you please. I know this side is also the same way, which I don't know why it's always like that. It's really annoying. But ooh, child, I'm loving this hair, y'all. I'm loving this hair. I don't think I'm gonna do anything here. Let this look. You know what's crazy? Like when I first started like doing hair and trying on wigs and everything, I used to love baby hairs, but now I'm over it. I'm done. Like I'm just I'm just done with the baby hairs. Like I just feel like it looks more natural when it doesn't have baby hairs, because you can really see the work you've put in. You can really see the detail in, you know, the wig and the lace. You know, with the baby hairs, it's cool, you know, depending on whatever look you're trying to go for. But with me, I don't know. I just can't get into it. But let's talk about this lace though. I did not bleach this hair. I did not tint it. I didn't do any of that. All I did was put some foundation on, and it's blending. It is melting. And I love it. Sometimes some of the glue won't dry. Baby, okay. See that? Scalp. It's giving scalp. Okay. It's giving real scalp right now. Very much scalp, honey. Scalp. Okay. So enough of my antics. I'm gonna finish the other side. I can't believe I love No. It's always the sides of the wigs that give me the most problems. I don't even know why. Like, it's always the sides. The sides are just terrible for me, y'all. Terrible. Like, I could never, like, live without struggling. Wigs. First of all, iSEEHair, who told y'all to give me this bomb wig? This wig is amazing. Like, I love it. I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. This wig right here, this glue. Who's messing with it? Ooh. That's how I feel right now. Because this freaking wig, y'all, no way. And it's crazy because the last time I tried iSEEHair, it was their Mongolian curly wig. And I loved it at first, I'm not gonna lie, but after a while, it did kind of shed, but the hair was good. The hair was definitely good, but it shedded after a while. Plus, in order for me to keep it curly, I literally had to keep putting products in it. And I understand like curly hair, you have to put products in it, because my natural hair is curly. Like my natural hair is literally curly, so I know what it takes, and you know, I know what it takes to handle curly hair. But that wig, like, that wasn't a wig where you could just throw it on and leave. That was a wig you gotta sit there at least 2 hours ahead before you gotta go somewhere and put some stuff in it, because that wig was just like, it wasn't it. Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It wasn't it. But this hair, the bomb, okay? Can you even see my lace? Can you, like, sweetie, where, what? Where's the lace? 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 Like, honestly, help me find it, because I don't know. I can't see. Like, do y'all see this lace, y'all? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Are y'all witnessing what I'm witnessing? Kia. Baby girl! This hair. And this is actually Indian straight, okay? This is not Brazilian. This is not Mongolian. This is not Peruvian. None of that. This is Indian. And you know what's crazy? I tried Indian hair one time, and this was years ago, and it was a frontal. And mind you, the frontal was Indian, but the rest of the hair was Brazilian. And this is all Indian. Like, I'm loving it right now. I'm loving this. Like, if you're having second guesses on buying hair or buying hair in general from Isee, go buy it. Honestly, this video is not sponsored. I don't get paid for none of this. Okay? So definitely go buy this hair. And their customer service is really, really good. Before I ordered the hair, I contacted the store on Instagram. I wrote them, I said, hey, you know, I need my hair before Thursday, and I got it on Tuesday. Okay, I think I ordered it. On a Wednesday, I ordered it on a Wednesday, and then by next week Tuesday it was here. Mind you, it was supposed to come on Thursday, but I contacted them and I communicated that I needed the hair before then. And guess what? They actually sent it way before then. And I'm really surprised, because you know, most hair companies, they don't really, you know, their customer service isn't up there like that. But iSEEHair did they thing, honey. They did they thing. They did they thing. They did their thing, baby. Start on that. But how do y'all feel about, hold on, before I get into my detailed conversation, what? Baby, honey, sweetie pie, baby girl, are you kidding? Do y'all see this hair? Are y'all seeing this? Y'all, get in tune. Get in tune with this hair. Get in tune with this hair, y'all. Cause listen, this hair did not come to play. Okay? This hair came to slay. Alright? This hair did not come to play, it came to slay. Period. Okay? Y'all, I wanna cry. Because this hair, y'all, like, I always struggled like to to lay my frontal wigs. Like frontals give me the most problems, but right now it's serving me. It's serving me. Oh, I didn't even mention this hair is a 13x4 and it is 150 density, right? It's 150 density. And I was actually on YouTube trying to find videos of people wearing iSEEHair 150 density, and I couldn't really find it. But yeah, I was really concerned because I originally was trying to get 180 density. That's what I usually get. Any hair company. They didn't have it. So they have it, but like it was basically sold out. And I really was not trying to wait any longer, so I just got this hair. And it's actually really full, y'all. It's really full. Like I'm really surprised because I always thought like anything under 180 is gonna be like, you know, thin and not serving me. But this hair, y'all, get into it. Get into it. Y'all, are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this slay? Come on, lace. Get up out of here. To me, I'm back by 5 minutes in. I think I'm gonna have to do so I'm basically done, and I'm gonna just let this part right here dry a little bit. And yeah, I love this hair. Like this hair right now serving me. This hair is serving me. Okay, this is serving me. I love this. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm gonna need you to get into it. I'm gonna need you to go click that link in the bio to get you some of this hair. Cause this hair, honey, this hair serving me. Serving me, child. It's serving me. It's honestly serving me breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Okay? This hair is not only serving me breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's serving me dessert. This hair is serving me dessert. Okay? Listen. There's nothing else to say. This hair, baby girl. This hair, honey. There's nothing else to say. Okay. Pull it down, pull it down. Baby girl, honey, I'm home. Oh, hold on. that's just lace. I'm gonna cut that off because it's bothering me. It's not serving me right now. You're not serving me. Lace, you're not serving me lunch or dinner or dessert. So you gotta go. You guys to go. Wait, okay. I don't think you gotta go. You can stay. You can stay. You guys. You guys, this hair is serving. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm done with this look and I have a lot more content on the way. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.